I started looking for a roofing company because we had hail damage. We actually developed an inside leak because of the hail damage. I called TTLC. Tim came out and was very professional. Tim pretty much handled all of the paperwork needed to process the hail damage with the insurance company. He was out here during the insurance inspection and made things smooth as silk. I chose TTLC because it's a local company. It has ecstatic reviews online, and I also noticed there were several people in my subdivision that was using TTLC. The TTLC expectations are professional, efficient, and get the job done. To use TTLC so that way they know that the project that they undertake is going to be completed and done to their satisfaction.